Boys and girls, hi there. We are on a bridge in the forest with the fairies and it feels so magical. Oh, Twinkle's calling to me. You know how that goes. Must be a message. What, Twinkle? Pinky, you're not calling to me today. Oh, you just want Twinkle to do it today? Okay, I will. All right. So what do you want me to do today? You know what? They're going to think that's a little bit crazy, but it's so fun. Okay. Anything else? Oh, Pinky said to remind me to do. Yes, I know that that's important to do. I will do that too. We'll do the fun, crazy thing first. Thank you so much, Twinkle. Okay, so what Twinkle said was, sometimes we can learn from our animal friends. So can you imagine being a tense, mad, angry, upset dog and what that sounds like and what it feels like in your body? Do it with me. Woo! I could feel the tension inside. Let's do that one more time. Really feel it in your body. Whoa, I could really feel the tense feeling. Now, to be a calm dog, you know what we have to do. Okay, doggies, get your belly buttons ready. Breathe in calm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out the tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we can be very calm dogs. Do it with me. Be a calm dog and feel the difference in your body. Whoa, I could really feel the difference. And now what we're going to do, because Pinky thought this would be a good idea and told Twinkle to tell me, you know how that goes. Okay, so we're going to do the 3 songs we've learned already. And we're going to do it with a drum. So when I drum, if you don't have a drum, you can pat your lap, you can pat your shoulders, you can clap your hands, or you can pat your hand on the table, or tap your foot on the floor. But do it with me. Let's do breathe, think, and make a good choice. 1 and 2 and 3. Breathe, think, and make a good choice. One more time. Do it with me. Breathe, think, and make a good choice. Good job. Let's do yummy in the tummy. 1 and 2 and 3. Remember to pat. Yummy in the tummy. Yummy in the tummy. Yum, yum, yum. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3. Yummy in the tummy. Yummy in the tummy. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, good job, everybody. Let's do the calming sound. Join in. Calming, calming. I'm calming myself. Breathing slowly. I'm calming myself. One more time. That feels so good. 1, 2, 3. Calming, calming. I'm calming myself. Breathing slowly. I'm calming myself. Good job, everybody. I just love those songs. And you know, it's time for me to give you a wish. Triple wish. For a really happy day. Remember the songs and remember to breathe calmly and deeply through your belly buttons. Be a super kid. This is Super Kid Power, and it's your power with Grandma Boom. Woo!